Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the explosive results that we've had with this flyer here. This 200 cash daily flyer is on a rip to the upside, folks. Just astounding the orders that we got in just one single day. If y'all could see all of that, just absolutely incredible. We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here, guys. Please go ahead and like the video. Like this video. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. You may consider subscribing to the channel. Folks, if you want to get out of the day job, if you want to have more money, time freedom, you can possibility get some of these concepts and live life on your terms, folks, and create the income of your dreams. We're going to talk about some income examples in this video. Of course, in life, as an income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action, and you do it over and over and over again. Folks, I tell you what, I think we're right there at cracking the code on having more than enough money to live on for the remainder of your life. I'm telling you, it's possible. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, like that video, folks. Like that video. Make sure we're going to go through some of these payments. I might not even get through all of them for the sake of the time of the video. But this is astounding, and there are just, we're getting so many calls. People are coming in every day. And let me tell you what, diversification of programs, having multiple streams of income going at one time, that's how we're able to bring in thousands every single week. It's possible, but you have to take action. And you have multiple streams of income going. And guys, in the next few days, I wanted to talk about these programs, the Profit Max formula and the Franklin Wealth system. These programs have been around for over 3 years, and people are still wanting to join these. I'm going to talk about those. How are we getting these results? I'm going to go through this, folks, and show you what came in. But this is how we're doing it. I got a bag of mail. This is a bag of mail. And, folks, look at this. I got this is ready, stamped and labeled. All you do is mail postcards. There's stamped 100. Look at this, folks. I got a bag. It's like 700 pieces of mail to go out, and I mail like 100 pieces on a daily basis, over and over and over and over again. And what does this thing here say? Does it work? The answer is absolutely yes. When you promote services, product and services, when you show integrity, when you promote the product, service, value, help enough people get what they want. And in life, you can have everything that you want. Folks, your cup will run over. I could not be more excited. We're going to go through some of this real quick. And the 200 cash daily flyer is just a rocket ship north. I did a video yesterday on the 200 United Cash Express. Similar flyer, same concept, just a different form. These flyers, guys, folks, you can collect $200 every time somebody joins. And just incredible. And the way it works, folks, they'll join, and then you get a position on level 1. You recruit somebody, you go to level 2, then level 3, and you remain on those flyers forever. Hit the like button, guys and gals. I really appreciate it. It's only $700 to join, and is it worth your time freedom? I'll tell you what, folks, I trade Forex. I do stock options. But I'm telling you what, nothing has made me more money than just regular affiliate marketing, promoting a system that is duplicatable. 100%, everything I do is duplicatable. Everybody can mail a postcard, everybody can mail a flyer, and the only thing that, just separates people from not being successful is that you're just doing it over and over and over again. Folks, if you can do that, the job that you're on, you can find the nearest trash can. Let me stop. Hit the like button, folks. Let's get through this mail real quick. Want to welcome George G. To the program. Be careful, guys. This is the profit $1,000 a day And George's payment is in here. Let's open that up. Look at this, folks. He sent proof. He's got the money orders in here. And I'm going to back up, cover people information. But $200 money orders. He made copies for us. And he sent the monitor payment. Let me cover this information. The monitor payment. And he sent in his payment. There's one for $200 and one for $100. The monitor payment and for the regular payment. This is incredible, and he sent proof that everybody has been paid. Woo! Hang on tight, folks. Let me get through this. It's two of them I'm going to save for another video. But, well, George, if you're watching the video, we are going to get your stuff out ASAP. And George called me this morning and said, called me yesterday and said, Timothy, I forgot to even put my application in there. I said, George, we got you covered. I want to welcome Vima Rolex to the program. And let's get this thing open. It starts with a V. V. Rolla. I'm sorry, I am butchering that name. But let's open this thing up here. It's a 200 cash daily flyer. And let's see what they sent in. Look at this, folks. You cannot make this up. Payable with Timothy Thomas. The check was done on February the 22nd. For $200. I'm telling you, can you mail a flyer? And you do it over and over and over and over again. Guys, I'm going to go through a training and I'm going to show you I am using Best Value. They print copies for 9 cents a piece. The 9 cents a piece. And look at this, guys, gals. I just ordered 10,000 names from Wilson's List. 10,000. I just ordered 10,000 names from Wilson's List. And they're going to be rushed. Paul's going to rush them to me. I use Wilson's List 70% of the time. I use Mountain Marketing about 15%. And I also use Randy Wolf down there in Florida at Wolf Enterprises. He has a good list. So you might want to check with those folks also, guys. Any of these folks that I mentioned, the link should be below the video. If not, just get a hold of me and I will email you a copy. Welcome, V, to the program. Welcome, V, to the program. Here is, this can get wild, folks. Woo! Let me open this up here. Welcome, V, to the program. They sent in the admin payment, and V sent in her admin payment of the $100 admin payment. So we're very excited about what we've got going on with our people joining. Guys, let me just open one more. I'm going to save the other two for the next video. Welcome, Rose from Simi Valley, California. All my Californians, Texans, all over the country, folks, we want to welcome you to the program. I want to take this opportunity to appreciate all people that have partnered with us in these programs over the last few weeks, the last few months, the last few years. And people ask me, Timothy, all the time, how long do you think these programs will last? Folks, I tell you what, they will last. Let's look at the Millionaire Mailer for example. That thing's been around for 9 years. And we're still getting in payments on a daily, weekly basis for the Millionaire Mailer. Check out the video Mary Beth just did the other day. Folks, this is exciting. And these are brand new programs. And like I said, we're going to be talking about the Franklin Wealth System. We're going to be talking about the Profit Max Formula. And when you get into maybe 1, 2, 3 programs, you will forget that you even were in them. And then you'll look up, and then there will be payments in your mailbox. It is possible when you believe. And when you believe, all things are possible. I'm telling you. Let's open up this from Rose L. I'm not going to put her last name on the video. I'll just leave that like that. Let's see what Rose sent in. Look at this, folks. The 200 cash daily flyer. And this is just astounding. Unbelievable. Rose sent in proof that she's paid everybody. And Here we go. The monitor payment for $100. Monitor payment. And here is all, she's got all the receipts there. She paid everybody when you send in proof, folks. She's got all the money orders made out, copied. I'm not going to get personal information in front of there, but this is astounding, folks. You're looking at over $1,000 with $1,200 come through in one single day. And I'm going to save that other one for another video. Great things are happening. I would request a flyer today. Request that flyer. Let me show you. People say, well, what's the product? The product's going to be the marketing kit. You're going to get leads, labels. You're going to get a mail report, how to make thousands a week in mail order. You're going to get a copy of this flyer, and you can get a digital copy if you request it. You're going to get unlimited support. You can have your name, your phone number put on the flyer. It's up to you. If not, TNCL Marketing will take all the calls for you, and you don't have to ask any questions. Also, guys, we have a optional, as a service of value, Larry will print and mail. Larry over there, All American Print and Mail, guys, he is mailing thousands of these flyers to people. This is just one of the programs. He will mail the 200 United Cash flyer for you too. Look what Larry will do for you. He'll mail 16,000 copies for $3.99. Ain't that incredible? 4,000 he'll mail for $99. Long as his name is somewhere, long as his company is somewhere on that flyer. And folks, you just fill this out. And look what Larry said. Look what Larry said. He said on one Saturday morning, give me just about 3 more minutes, guys, and I'm going to be off the video. One Saturday morning, I opened my mail, and to my delight, okay, well, let's look at this. Okay, on the other side of this letter is called the 200 Cash Daily. When I received this flyer, I decided to join. When I first mailed out 1,000 copies to test it the first month, I received only 6 orders. Wasn't really excited about it. But I thought to myself that the 6 people that signed up would recruit, 6 people down the 3 levels. How profitable would that be? Then one Saturday morning, a few weeks later, I opened my mail to my delight, another 2 people joined, totaling $400 more from my mailing. Now I'm excited. As an bonus, I also received 5 orders for the print and mail of the 200 Cash Daily with my name on them. So he started printing out for people at the reduced rate. He said he would send out thousands of copies for people that has his name on the flyer because he got excited because more people joined simply through the mailing of the flyer. Guys, just request this and you can read it more in detail. I opened my mail, and to my delight, another 2 people joined, giving me a total of 400 more from my mail. Now I'm excited. As an extra bonus, I also received 5 more orders from the print and mailing of the 200 Cash Daily with my name on them. So why not print out and mail them for others? Larry's been in business for over 30 years. Folks, I'm telling you what, and people talk about a recession. People talk about a recession. Now, I'm not going to be naive and say there's not hard times in the economy, but folks, Mercedes is selling cars every day. Toyota's selling cars every day. Chevrolet, the Bentley dealership, Tesla, they're selling cars every day. People are still buying hundreds of dollars every single day from a Walmart. People are still shopping the mall, order from Amazon. People are still there. Folks, let me tell you what. Say recession or not, there is so much money out here, your head will spin, but you got to know how to get it. When you, again, offer value in the marketplace, when you offer integrity, people will run you over to send you money. I'm telling you what I know. I think we've cracked the code, folks. And again, how long can it last? Folks, for as long after we have left the earth, people will still, let this resonate with you. After we have left this earth, whatever our time allotted here, people will still be looking for a way to make money. So that will answer your question. All right, folks, that's my time for today. Request this flyer right now today. Check out some other ones on the channel. Get involved, folks, and let's run. And guys, don't forget the supplement grid. This is one of our postcards with Melon Supplement Grid. We're going to build that thing out. We're going to have folks within 2-3 years making 15 grand a month. It's possible. It's possible. I'm excited. All right, folks, that's my time for now. If I can do anything for you, reach out to me, guys. I am very reachable and attainable. So have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next one, next video.